Hi guys, I'm not a lover of spaghetti, but the recipe I'm dropping is going to be a banger. First step is to put water on fire, and when it comes to a boil, you add salt, you break your spaghetti into two, and you put it in the hot water, and then you make sure that it's well coated. You then add like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You make sure everything is doing well, just fine. Guys, don't forget that we sell anything spaghetti, anything food stuff, okay? So I just added my vegetable oil like you saw it now, and then I'm going to cover and allow this to cook. Here is my fresh tomatoes, very big size, onion, good quantity, and then I also have my fresh pepper, 2 shombo, and then my crayfish, very good quantity. And then I am just going to blend this goodness. I'm just going to blend it into a paste. I'm not blending it too smooth. It's just going to be roughly blended. Then I set my pot on the heat and I add palm oil. I also add onion. I don't let the palm oil to be too hot before adding the onion, because I am not bleaching anything. I don't want to also over fry anything. So I just add my cow skin. This cow skin has been steamed actually, but it's still very hard. This is actually female cow. That's how you know female cow. Women, we are very stubborn. So I added the cow skin early, and then I steam it a bit. Now I pour the tomato mix, tomato, onion, crayfish, fresh pepper. I just pour everything in here. At this point, my kids were like, "Mommy, are you making egg sauce?" Because it's actually looking like egg sauce. And I was like, no, 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 guys, I'm making something special for you guys. I added my seasoning and I give it a good mix, guys. I give it like a good mix. The next thing I'm going to add is our ice fish. I will not forget this process, guys. See, we actually do weekly sharing of ice fish, and we also help you to dry, okay? So if you want to be part of us, please drop your comments. I just added salt and make sure that everything is well incorporated, okay? Now you are going to remove some of the sauce. You're going to remove some of the sauce, especially the ice fish part, because you might be looking for the ice fish at the end of the day. So because I don't want to be in that position, I remove some of the ice fish, add in my spaghetti, and I use I call this my spaghetti spoon, because it helps me to separate the spaghetti. After mixing, I am going to add the sauce. I took out the other time, and then I am going to just mix and mix and mix. What I am going to add now, I'm going to add the spaghetti, the water I took out of the spaghetti. I just want to add it so it cooks the whole thing together very, very well. Give it a proper mix. See, there's a lot of mixing in all of this process. Guys, we sell spaghetti, we sell cow skin, we sell onion, anything you want. Right now I'm adding my pepper soup spice. Pepper soup spice is a one you cannot get anyhow, anywhere, because it is just the best. It is just the best. See, I am adding scent leaf. You can add scent leaf with curry leaf together. You're going to love it. Like, you're going to love it. I just mix and mix and mix. As at this time, my kids are already happy, because the aroma was everywhere. Like, everybody was ready to devour, everybody was ready to eat, and this was just all of it. I tasted it for salt, anything I needed to add I adjusted, and it was a banger. Give this a try and share pictures with me.